Everybody want to cry when they get bit. Well, happy Easter to you too. You gonna say the same thing? You kill somebody's family while y'all driving like assholes? You don't. Now you do. This just humbled you, didn't it? Of course. Damn Skippy.
Here. Who's a good boy? What's your deal? Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Ocean's Awesome. So I got one running. ISP Halifax. Sorry, Ocean 15. White male, white shirt, blue jeans. I got a white male running. ISP. North on Halifax. White t-shirt, blue jeans. I guess he was on a fight with his girlfriend in the car. Here you go. Hey, fucking stop! Get the fucking up! Why are you running?
Cause she's crazy.
Well, what the fuck?
Dude, she's crazy, bro.
You good?
Yeah.
No, I'm good.
DC9-065 Central.
She's crazy, bro.
Well, when I fucking tell you to stop, you stop.
I know, but I'm worried about her.
Clear the traffic. One Ocean 15's got one secure.
Why are you running? You got a warrant?
No, I ain't got no warrant. I'm just worried about her.
Huh?
Her, dude, she drives me crazy.
Yeah, well, when I tell you to stop,
I'm not gonna hit a girl.
get up.
Yeah, can you help me, though?
Yeah, I'll help you.
No, the thing is,
No, fucking.
I'm a civil dude, dog.
There's a commotion going on in their car. Yeah. The lady behind me
Yeah, I'll tell you the truth,
is
too.
pointing at her. I'll be quiet for now.
Yeah.
Pointing, she's flagging me down. I see him get out of the car. The girl's distraught. I tell him to stop. He takes off running.
No, the thing is about her is,
I just seen you were coming down the bridge. I seen you
no,
running.
no. I just started being like a kid.
We can bring him back to your truck. Let's just search him real quick.
Yeah.
Damn, man, I'm sorry, bro.
Okay, dude, listen, a little piece of advice. When the cops
No,
tell
I
you to stop,
got you.
hands up! Okay, okay. Okay. I got a weapon. Watch, he's got a gun. He's got a gun.
I dropped it.
Alright. Cuffs. Good job, everybody. Just chill. We're good.
Thank you. And I what?
Yeah, look at my foot.
You stepping on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured. All right, taking that way. All right, come with me.
Yeah. Right there.
Alright,
Right there.
we got one secure.
Let me
Yeah,
know.
the signal 0 in his hand.
Hello. What's going on, man? So e-bikes, they can't go over 10 miles an hour on our beaches.
Okay.
We're doing well above that.
Well, that's that way. But, I'll definitely. I had no idea, honestly. With the rules and the laws and stuff like that. It tops out at like 18.
Yeah.
But with the tail, it'll probably go 100 miles.
So, yeah, and driving in between all the people and stuff like that, it's careless. Can't do that. You're riding on an e-bike. You need to be driving down traffic lanes. Can't just be rolling around against traffic. Secondly, you have to go under 10 miles per hour just like everybody else does. So basically, there's zero tolerance for the e-bike recklessness because of all the crashes.
No, I get it, yeah.
What you're getting is a $50 county ordinance violation citation for driving over 10 miles an hour. You also passed me the other thing. I'm not here to stack tickets on people, okay? I'm just here to, I do have to enforce something, and this is it. Speed being one of the worst.
Do you recall what happened this morning? Something with milk?
Yes, the milk, he put Clorox in the milk.
Okay.
In the bottle of milk, he put Clorox.
So
I
was it
drink milk every
specifically-
day. I couldn't drink the milk.
Was it
I
in a
sip
cup
it, they
for
was
you,
sip it.
or was it in the container itself?
The milk was in the container. You take the Clorox from the other container and throw it in the milk
Okay. So,
container.
but in the entirety of the container.
Yes.
Okay. And then you poured it into your glass,
I had some.
Okay. How much do you think you ingested?
I think I just had a little bit because I tasted it.
Okay.
He was hiding in the room with the dog.
You guys had it locked down quick.
Find a pocket. Find a pocket. Pocket! 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 Show me your fucking hands! Pocket! Pocket! Hey, show me your fucking hands! Do not move! Put your hands out! Put your hands out! I'm coughing. Get on the ground. We're done. Get down. We're done, I promise. Stay still, okay? I'm not gonna move. Come here. Get up. Get up. Don't move. You're fine. You're gonna get. It's all right. Well, turn around. 34 Central to detain. You're gonna have to duck some. I don't know where my machete went. Go ahead. Walk. I'm gonna help you. Walk. Just crawl through. Hold on. It's in your hair. I know. Walk up.
There's a whole bunch of toys over here.
I got you. It's all right.
Be careful with him, please.
You good? Right there. I got you. See the path right there? See that officer right there? We're walking right that direction.
All right, come on.
Hear me? Watch. Walking.
Hey man, I'd be mad at your homeboy if I was you. He took all of it.
Other kids that did dog food. Yeah.
Yeah, everybody want to cry if they get bit. Happy Easter, you too. You gonna say the same thing? You kill somebody's family while y'all driving like assholes? You don't. Now you do. This just humbled you, didn't it? Damn Skippy.
On Enterprise.
62 Central. Are you landline with the passenger?
You just hit her. It's okay.
Hey, unlock the door.
It's okay. It's okay.
Put the car in park.
No, it's okay.
Put the car in park. Put the car in park. All right, step out. Step out.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yep, no, don't touch me. No, stay right there, man. Can you do me a favor? Wait right there, okay? Just give me a minute. We need to talk to you, okay? Okay, we need to figure out what's going on, okay?
No, he's okay.
All right. Okay. Do you need any medical assistance, okay?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Please don't do that.
Can y'all just turn right there and park in the grass? I'll just need to get some info from you real quick, okay? Hey, how you doing?
Hey, so it was us who called.
Okay, you called initially?
Other people who
I
Okay.
have a video. I don't know if that's something.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Finally got it. Luckily, we have loud 911 so we can hear it when it's coming out.
Oh, great.
So I heard she turned on Saxons, then I heard
Yeah.
into the Enterprise Marketplace, so then I turned into there, then the Bell. So appreciate you calling and everything. Yeah, if you got video, definitely pull up. Just do me a favor, pull up right in front of that black car.
Okay.
Because she's not being very cooperative, so we're definitely going to need to talk to
yeah.
everybody and
That's
get.
fair
Yeah,
enough.
and it's.
1 Delta 45 Central, we're not stopping, getting off 472 onto the land, the Woodland Road.
Good morning, 12 that.
Confirm 12.
Come on.
Let's call some body back.
Stick it. Northbound on Orange Avenue.
North on Orange.
Successful stick it. Successful stick it.
You just gotta check for weapons and shit, man. Plots. Let's. No plots. Live. Sheriff's officer? No. Sheriff's officer, the K-9, announce yourself now or I'll send the dog and you will be bit. Live. Sheriff's officer, the K-9, announce yourself now or I'll send the dog and you will be bit. Come here. Soup. it's steep, Ethan. Come here. Here. Toki. Here. Shoot. Dumbass, you're positive she just ran out the driver's side door into the woods, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're tracking now. Thanks. Oh no, parking. Parking, buddy, parking! In contact. Parking! Put your hands up! Don't go up to me yet, Ethan. Here, just come to cover to me. Keep cover. Brings, buddy. Brings. Keep your hands up. Brings. Let me see your fucking hand. Parking. Stop. Get off of me, you dickhead. Parking, buddy.
Man, it's better.
Get your hand off.
No, man.
Good. All right. Taking him into custody. Start arresting for a dog bite. We're between Orange and Stone in the woods. All right, sorry, I was on teletype. Rescue for a dog bite. He's going into custody. We're in the woods. We went to the land card right here between Orange and Stone. No. No, and it's rescue for a dog bite. But yeah, just a little bit. Good boy, Tux. No, hey, easy, buddy. Hey, relax. Let go of that. Good boy, buds. Hey, relax.